Hi students, how are you? Welcome to our YouTube channel JV the Mentor. Okay, next concepts, notations. Now, what is the equation? General standard form of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the equation in general form. This is the equation of the general form of the circle kadandi. Now, the LHS of this equation is denoted by S. LHS of this equation is denoted by S. The name anamata. Then LHS name enti S. That is S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Okay. ఈ టోటల్ ఎల్హెచ్ఎస్ మొత్తం రాయకుండా దాన్ని సింపుల్ గా ఎస్ అని రాసుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. సో నౌ ది ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది గివెన్ సర్కిల్ కెన్ బి రిటన్ యాస్ ఎస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. షార్ట్ కట్ అనమాట. షార్ట్ కట్ లో ఎస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఎస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 వేర్ ఎస్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2gx ప్లస్ 2fy ప్లస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అనమాట. సో ఇలాగా మనం నోటేషన్స్ రాస్తాం అనమాట. రైట్ డౌన్ ది ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is denoted by yes. Is denoted by yes. Where next yes ante rayalandi. S stands for x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Okay, na? That is S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. This is this. Okay, na? Now write S1. S1 means x square place లో x into x1 రాయండి. సో ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నానండి. x square అంటే x into x1, y square place లో y by 1, 2x place లో x plus x1, x plus x1, 2y place లో y plus y1. ఓకేనా? Write x1 in place of x square, y1 in place of y square, x plus x1 in place of 2x, y plus y1 in place of 2y. That is S1. S1 equal to here x square plus x into x1, y square plus y into y1 plus 2gx. Here g into 2x and g into 2x. Now that 2x can be written as x plus x1 plus f into 2y, f into 2y, 2y can be written as y plus y1, y plus y1 plus c. This is s1. Okay, now s2 అంటే ఏం లేదండి, ఇక్కడ x1 ప్లేస్ లో s2 రాయటమే, 2 రాయటమే. అంటే ఏమవుతుందో చూడండి, x1 x2 ప్లస్ y1 y2 plus g into x plus x2 plus f into y plus y2 plus c. That is s2. Okay, now S11 means write x1 in place of x, y1 in place of y in s. ఈ s లో x1 x place లో x1 y place లో y1 రాయండి. Then we will get S11. Okay, that is x1 square plus y1 square 2gx1 2fy1 plus c. Next s22. s22 అంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి x ప్లేస్ లో x2 y ప్లేస్ లో y2 రాయటమే. అంటే x2 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y2 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2gx2 ప్లస్ 2fy2 plus c. Okay. Now s12. What about s12? In s, x1 x2 in place of x, y1 y2 in place of y, x1 plus x2 in place of 2x, y1 plus y2 in place of 2y. Okay, no? That is s12. x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c. Okay, these are the annotations. Okay, write down. Next concept, position of a point. Position of a point P x1 comma y1 with respect s equal to 0. The position of a point P x1 comma y1 with respect s equal to 0. Okay, అండి. హలో స్టూడెంట్స్, ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసినట్లయితే నెక్స్ట్ అన్ని టాపిక్స్ కూడా మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్స్ వస్తాయి. మీరు చక్కగా వినవచ్చు. మీరు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా షేర్ చేసినట్లయితే వాళ్ళు కూడా వింటారు. కాబట్టి కంపల్సరీగా షేర్ చేయండి ప్లీజ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. అనిండి. Okay, students, the position of a point Px1, y1 with respect to the circle. The position of a point depending on S11, taking the circle. This is S equal to 0. This is the center of the circle. If S11 less than 0, S11 less than 0 అంటే నెగటివ్ వస్తాయి. If S11 less than 0, then the point inside of the circle, S11 equal to 0, the point lie on the circle అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉంటుందండి. If S11 greater than 0, then the point lies outside of the circle. Okay, no? Is it clear? If S11 less than 0, the point lies inside of the circle. S11 equal to 0, the point lie on the circle. If S11 greater than 0, then the point lies outside of the circle. Exterior point అంటాం. దీన్నేమో ఇంటీరియర్ పాయింట్ అంటాం. ఇన్సైడ్ ఉంటే ఇంటీరియర్ పాయింట్, ఆన్ ద సర్కిల్ ఉంటే ఆన్ ద సర్కిల్ అంటాం అన్నమాట. ఓకే, రైట్. దీంట్లో ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్, if S11 less than 0, then the point Px1, y1 lies inside of the circle. Inside of the circle. That is interior point అంటామండి. Lies inside of the circle. చూడండి. This is the circle. So this is the center. Here inside of the circle P. Second one, if S11 equal to 0, then the point P lies on the circle. Lies on the circle. That is, దీనికి డయాగ్రామ్ అండి. Lies on the circle. So here P. This is the center. So third one, if S11 greater than 0, then P lies outside of the circle. Outside of the circle. Okay. Outside of the circle ante exterior point andi. This is the center. Here P. This is the P. Okay na? If S11 less than 0, the point lies inside of the circle. That is interior point. If S11 equal to 0, then P lies on the circle. If S11 greater than 0, then P lies outside of the circle. So diagram is done. Okay na? This is the position of a point P with respect to the circle S equal to 0. Okay na? Write down. Next to third point. Third one. Okay. Next, power of a point. The power of a point Px1, y1 with respect to the circle S equal to 0 is S11. The power of a point Px1, y1 with respect to the circle S equal to 0 is S11. That is S11 is x1 square plus, that is S11 equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. అదే కదండి, S11 is x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. That is the power of a point. Next, fourth one. Length of tangent. Length of tangent. Length of tangent. Okay, no? So it is a circle. P is any exterior point. Px1, y1 is a line passing to the point P touches the circle at A. P is any exterior point. Okay, na? P is interior point, there is no tangents. Okay, na? If P is any exterior point, then a line passing through the point P touches the circle at A. Then PA, the distance from P to A, is called the length of the tangent. This is the tangent. PA is tangent. Okay now. Now the distance from P to the point A is called length of tangent. Length of tangent. Okay now. Write down. The length of tangent from Px1, y1 to the circle S equal to 0 is the length of tangent from the exterior point Px1, y1 to the circle S equal to 0 is root of S11. Root of S11. The length of tangent is root of S11. Where S11 is x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy plus c. Okay, na? Write down. Next we will go to next exercise. Now exercise 1b. Exercise 1b. First problem, exercise 1b. So first Roman law, first one. The position of a point adugutunnadu. Find the position of a point. Let's locate the position. Locate the position of the point P 3, 4 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay na? Locate the position of a point P 3, 4 with respect to the circle. With respect to the circle ante LHS is denoted by S and D. Okay na? The given point P 3, 4. Here P equal to 3, 4. Let it be x1, y1. Write down. Solution. Let P equal to 3, 4. That is x1, y1. Now S equal to the LHS of the equation is denoted by S. Let S equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12. Okay. Now locate the position of the point. The position of a point depending on S11. The position of a point depending on S11. If S11 less than 0, then the point lies inside of the circle. S11 equal to 0 lies on the circle. S11 greater than 0 lies outside of the circle. Okay, write down. Now we will find S11. S11. What is the notation? Notation for S11. Write x1 in place of x and y1 in place of y. So x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12. Now substitute the values of x1 and y1. This is equal to, here x1 is 3 square, y1 is 4 square, 4 into x1 is 3, minus 6 into y1 is 4, minus 12. Here 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, minus 12, minus 6 into 4, 24, minus 12. Here 25 minus, here 24, here minus 24, minus 48. Okay, no? That equal to minus 23. That is minus 23. So S11 equal to minus 23. This is negative value. Negative value ante that is less than 0. Okay, na? Minus 23 is negative value, that is less than 0. Therefore, S11 less than 0. If S11 less than 0, then the point lies inside of the circle. Inside of the circle, that means interior point. Okay, na? Therefore, P lies inside of the circle. That is interior point. Okay, na? Right now. Suppose S11 positive value వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, greater than 0 అవుతుంది. Greater than 0 అంటే exterior point lies outside of the circle వస్తుంది. Suppose S11 equal to 0 వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, the point P lies on the circle అవుతుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ దాంట్లోనే సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం అండి. సెకండ్ లో ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. సెకండ్, ఫైండ్ ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ a point P 5, minus 6 with respect to the circle x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 equal to 0. Power of a point. What is power? Power of a point is S11. Now we will find S11. Okay, na? Write down. Okay. Solution. Let P equal to 5, minus 6. Let it be x1, y1. Let S equal to, S ante given equation lo LH side andi. X square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15. That is S. What is the power of a point? The power of a point is S11. Okay, na? Write down. The power of the point P equal to S11. The power of a point P equal to S11. S11 ante x1 square plus y1 square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15. 8x1 plus 12y1. x1 square plus y1 square plus 8x1 plus 12y1 plus 15. So write x1 in place of x and y1 in place of y. Then we will get s11. Now substitute the values of x1 and y1. Now x1 is 5. 5 square plus minus 6 square 8 into 5 plus 12 into minus 6 plus 15. Okay now. Now 5 square equal to 25. Minus 6 whole square is 36. Plus 40 minus 72 plus 15. Okay. Here 25 plus 15 40. 25 plus 15 40. Here 36 76. 76 minus 72 4. 44 plus 44. Okay, write down. 36 plus 40 76. 76 minus 72 plus 4. Plus 4 here 25 plus 15 40. 40 plus 4 44. The power of a point P is 44. Okay na? Write down. అదే పాయింట్ ఏమొచ్చిందండి S11 వాల్యూ 44 గ్రేటర్ వాల్యూ వచ్చింది గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0. గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0 అంటే పాయింట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది అవుట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ పాయింట్ థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం. థర్డ్ లో ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం అండి. మోడల్ ఒకటి చెప్తున్నాను, మీరు మిగిలిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరు చేయాలండి. ఫైండ్ ద లెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ టాంజెంట్ find the length of tangent find the length of tangent from P minus 2 comma 5 minus 2 comma 5 to the circle x square plus y square minus 25 equal to 0. Okay na? Length of tangent andi. What is the length of tangent from the point P x1 comma y1 to the circle S equal to 0 is root of S11 length of tangent. ఆ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసుకోవడం ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా? లెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ టాంజెంట్ అంటే రూట్ ఆఫ్ S11. సొల్యూషన్. లెట్ P equal to minus 2 comma 5. Let it be x1 comma y1. S equal to x square plus y square minus 25. Now the length of tangent equal to root of S11. Formula andi. The formula for length of tangent is root of S11. Right. Root of, here S11, write x1 in place of x and y1 in place of y. x1 square plus y1 square minus 25. So now substitute the values of x1 and y1. Here x1 is minus 2 whole square plus y1 is 5 square minus 25. So this equal to minus 2 whole square is 4. 5 square 25 minus 25. Plus 25 minus 25 cancel. Root 4. Root 4 is 2. So this is the length of tangent. Okay, na? Write down. Next, second Roman. Important problem అండి ఇది. Previous exams లో ఇచ్చినాడు. Write down. Okay, no? Okay, next part we will continue next session. Okay, thank you. Okay అండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. చూడండి, ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి ప్లీజ్. మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి కూడా షేర్ చేసుకోండి. షేర్ చేసి వాళ్ళకు కూడా చెప్పండి. వాళ్ళని కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని చక్కగా వినమని చెప్పండి. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ.